Hey, what's up guys? It's Mr. Jensen here with EdTech Integration. In today's video, we talk about Google Docs' new feature to change the orientation of specific content within a document as opposed to the whole document itself. So let's check it out. So if we're in a Google Doc here, what we can do is we can change the orientation of specific content as opposed to changing the orientation of the entire document. So let me show you. There's two ways to do this. So if I was to take this text here and select the text, I can either right click or double click and then move down to the bottom here where it says change page to landscape. So what that's going to do is it's going to change that specific content to a landscape as opposed to a portrait. Now what you'll see here is this looks kind of weird. If I wanted to come up here and I wanted to type, or if I wanted to continue to put stuff on this page, you could still do that. So there's still a lot of page left here. Let's look at what a print preview would look like. So as you can see in the print preview, my text was up here before. Now it's taken it down here to the second page, and now this is a landscape. Okay, the third page is portrait, and so on and so forth. So it does it like this, so it's a little bit easier to see which one's portrait and which one's landscape, but just know that you do have all of this text under here. Okay, so I'm going to undo these changes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the second way. So if I was to take this table here, I was to select these contents, up here in the top right, File, Page Setup. Now normally you would just have these two options to change the whole document to portrait and or landscape. Right now you can see that this new option is here, Selected Content. So if you wanted to still turn the whole document into a landscape or a portrait, you could do that. But in this case, select Content, click Landscape, push OK. So that's going to push this to the second page. Now again, this here, the first page still has a lot of room that you can work with here. We're going to look at our print setup here. Our first page looks like this. Our second page looks like this. I want to make some edits down here, and just a quick aside, if I wanted to make this table fit here, I'm going to drag this last column out here. Let's say, for example, I wanted these columns to be equally spaced, and it's hard to do that visually. So I'm going to select all three of these columns. I'm going to right click or double click. Then I'm going to come down here to distribute columns. So that will make each one of these columns exactly the same. I hope that helps out. It's a small feature, but can make a big difference in your formatting. Hey, what's up guys? It's Mr. Jensen. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and think about subscribing.